Hey, this is Pierre Villacco talking. I have a playlist on my YouTube channel with 308 videos. And when I look at this playlist, there's tons of valuable videos. But I want to make an Excel file with all the title of the videos and the link to the videos. How can I do that? Can Microsoft 365 help me? So actually, there's a component that you might not know, which is called Power Automate Desktop, that is part of Windows 11. And if you don't have Windows 11, you can install it on the desktop. That might help me to do it. So let's try it. So I'm going to type here Power Automate, and here it is. I have my Power Automate. So this tool can help you to record what you're doing on your computer, and it can find patterns, and it can automate some tasks. This is just fabulous. I just discovered that for that purpose. So I'm going to show you the steps I'm going to try to implement. So Teams, YouTube videos. I give it a name. I'm going to create my flow, and we'll try to make it work. So while it's launching, I'm going to grab the URL of my playlist here, go back to my night here. So the first thing I need to do is to launch Edge, because I'm using Edge with this URL. So let's find if there's a component here on the left side that can launch a browser. So this browser automation, and there is here launch Edge. I could do the same thing with Chrome if you prefer to do it with Chrome. So I just have to drag and drop it in my flow. And then it asks me the URL. So I paste my URL here. Now I want to grab every video. There's 308. So I'm not going to do everything. I'm going to try to automate that. So I'm going to record this. It launched a recorder here. And just to let you know, when you start to record, when you act in the browser, if you don't have the plugin here, you see there's a Power Automate plugin for uh, Edge. You just have to install it. It will explain and help you to install it. So I did it already, so I'm going to record this. So I launch a recorder, and now I'm ready to record. So as you can see, it catches all the things I do with my mouse. So I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to say, I want to extract the title of this video. So I select extract the value. You can see it finds the value. Perfect. And now I'm going to extract not just the value, but the link. So I right click, just like if I was going to extract it. And I'm going to extract the value, and I'm extracting the href, which is the link in HTML. And I'm going to do that not for the 308, but I'm going to do that for the second one. So extract, right click, extract the text, right click again, extract the ref. And as you can see now, everything is in green. So that means if you found a pattern here. So I want it. I want him to do everything. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm done. That's good. So the output data, I want to put it in an Excel file. So I double click on this, and I'm going to say the output data is an Excel spreadsheet. The timeout, I don't know if I should put it up. We'll see. But I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to want to save the output in Excel, actually. So I'm going to look in Excel here. I'm going to say, okay, save in Excel, actually. So I'm going to save a document as I'm gonna put it somewhere on my desktop so it's easy to find. I'm gonna name it uh, Teams YouTube videos. So now he has a path to save the document. And I'm gonna close Excel because it's gonna open Excel in the background, I guess. I'm gonna save again the document to be sure. And that should be it. So I do some stuff manually, launching Edge on the right page, and then I record so it can find the pattern and do the job for me, and then I do manually save in Excel and close Excel. So let's see if this working. So I'm gonna delete, uh, resize all my window, open just the some sort of macro, and run the macro, and we'll see if I find an Excel file with all my all my. So it launches the browser, and now it's extracting the data. As you can see, now it's in extract phase here, and I shall see an Excel file coming on my way. It launches Excel, creates all the items here, closes Excel, and now look at that. Now I have an Excel document with Teams. I can create a table. Let's create a table to see if it works. A table. This is just fantastic. And let's resize this. We can do it better. And I have a table with everything I need. And now I can, you know, filter, search, do whatever I want. Maybe what's missing here is it's not a clickable link. So I'm not sure how I could make it a clickable, uh, but it's pretty impressive. Oh, I just need to click in it in the, yeah, it converts. So it might be something in Excel that I can do so it can become a link. But basically, if I click here now, how to follow the pace of new features coming to Teams, I click here and it launches exactly at the right place. It's just impressive what you can do. So take a look at this Power Automate for Desktop app, which seems very powerful. You can automate a lot of things. I didn't explore all of this. I just found a video on internet that described the same thing with a web page, not a YouTube channel. Obviously, there's more to it. Obviously, there's some complexity. I try to play with it so I can do the same thing with all my videos. I was not able to succeed because I have different, playlists, and I don't know how to transition from one place to the other. But if you're tech savvy enough, I guess you can find things uh, to make it better. But simple things like that are you don't need to be skilled. Just need to know that it exists and just know a few things. And probably if you need some training about it, definitely at Planet we have some people who can do that, who can help you do that. But what is really impressive is you can automate a lot of things. So you can imagine you have a PDF file, you copy pasting PDF files in Excel. It's always the same process. Then you can use this tool to automate things and it will do it in background on your computer. This is really, really powerful. So I encourage everybody to explore a little bit more than what I did, Power Automate for Desktop. Hope this was insightful.